I'm excited to walk you through the top 5 trending and profitable products set to make waves in November 2024. With dropshipping opportunities at an all-time high, this is the perfect time to dive in and find that breakthrough product to generate real results. If you're ready to make November your best month yet, stick with me as we explore these incredible opportunities. Product number 1. Pregnancy Safety Belt Extender. Our first product is a pregnancy seatbelt extender designed specifically for expectant mothers. This essential item has been crafted to keep both mother and child safer during car journeys. With car safety a top priority, it's no wonder this product is seeing such high demand. 35,000 likes, nearly 1,000 comments, and over 5,000 shares in just 2 weeks. This problem-solving product addresses a key concern for expectant mothers: minimizing risks during daily commutes. Transforming the traditional seatbelt into a secure 3-point lap sash, it's easy to set up and provides peace of mind. This product is not only highly demanded but also versatile in color, coming in black, white, green, and pink. Price comparison shows competitors are selling it for $39.99 with free shipping on orders over $50. This allows you a substantial profit margin. Product number 2. Cat Peekaboo Scratcher. The next product up is a Cat Peekaboo Scratcher, a game changer for pet owners looking to keep their cats entertained. This multifunctional scratcher provides hours of engagement for cats, making it ideal for those long hours when their owners are away. It's designed for both scratching and playing, inside and out, offering a unique angle for marketing. The numbers speak for themselves: close to 7 million views, 19,000 comments, and over 61,000 likes. Competitors price it at $99 with a buy one get one free offer. If you're looking to sell, consider adding your personal touch by offering additional colors or bundles. Product number 3. Wire Stripping Tool. Let's talk about a practical tool that's new to the market and already making waves. The wire stripping tool allows users to cut wires with ease, speeding up processes and improving accuracy. This unique 2-in-1 device is generating incredible engagement, with 11 million views, 5,000 comments, and 67,000 likes. This product solves the ongoing challenge of inefficient tools, appealing to both hobbyists and professionals alike. Competitors are selling it at $49.99, but you can source it from AliExpress for $9 with free shipping, providing a profit margin you can leverage. Product number 4. Chef Preserve Vacuum Sealer. With holiday feasts just around the corner, the Chef Preserve Vacuum Sealer is a fantastic product for customers wanting to preserve food. Compact, fast, and easy to use, it's designed to reduce waste while keeping food fresh, making it a great fit for environmentally conscious consumers. Priced at $79 by competitors, this product also encourages repeat customers who will need replacement vacuum bags, which is a perfect upselling opportunity. Engage potential buyers by showcasing the product in use, emphasizing its benefits, and offering an ongoing bag replacement bundle. Product number 5. 360-degree Magnetic Phone Holder. Perfect for the holiday gifting season, the 360-degree magnetic phone holder has recently gained popularity on platforms like TikTok and Facebook, especially among content creators. With a secure magnetic grip and a 360-degree swivel, this product provides flexibility and convenience for any phone user. Competitors price it at $39.90, and the design appeals to a range of customers, from drivers to vloggers. Consider enhancing the appeal with a streamlined product page and incorporating the AliExpress content in your ads to create a product page that captivates. By using the tips I've shared, like supplier validation, using platforms like AutoDS, and leveraging reviews and upsells, you can transform these winning products into highly profitable listings. I hope this list inspires you to take action and make November a remarkable month for your dropshipping business.